And I don't have any Laura Mercier lipsticks, and it feels very luxe. Okay, Boxy. I'm
Some
excited.
might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite.
Hey guys, Brittany Chanel back with another Boxy Charm unboxing. Yay! Pause for the thumbnail. Boom. Oh, you ain't gonna be able to see that. Boom. Okay, so it is, what is today? January 18th or 17th. I don't got the answer, y'all. Okay, it's January 18th, and I'm just now receiving this month's premium. I did get myself ready, so we won't be doing a demo today because I feel like it's so late. Y'all not coming. Y'all don't really care what I got on anyway. So let's get into it. I'm not going to hold you to it. Wait! Did you comment, subscribe, share to your mama, cousin, sister, auntie, everybody that they need to come hop on this Brittany Chanel train? If not, go ahead and do that, boo. Go ahead and do it. So this month's theme, as we know from my base unboxing, is Fresh Start. I have variation, C as in cat, 210-1209-PM. And let's go ahead, straight out of the box. This little flurry thing's going up. I have Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. And it says, life's turbulence means we can all get that lag, leaving skin stressed, tired, and thirsty. Use a nightly mask, daytime moisturizer, or in-flight lifesaver. This retails for $48. I know Joe from Boxy Charm has been really hyping up Summer Fridays. We just got a little coupon in the mail from Boxy Charm for Summer Fridays. So they must be really having a partnership. Next, we have the Silver Pure, rather. Oh. Okay, this is from PMD Beauty, and it's called the Silver Pure Makeup Removing Cloth, and this is what it looks like. It says, get back to your pure self with Silver Pure. Remove makeup and wash your skin with the antibacterial and anti-aging benefits of pure silver, ensuring a clean end to your day. Retails for $30. Next about the box, we have, this is my choice item. It is the Fenty Beauty Setting Powder by Rihanna in the color Cashew. And this was my choice items. I have a few of their powder, but I was like, I was going to try a different shade. And you guys know this is the packaging, or maybe you don't know. I don't know. And this one is Cashew. And this is my choice item. It does retail for $32. It says Pro Filter Instant Retouch and Setting Powder. Rihanna was obsessed with creating a setting powder, blah, blah, blah. No flash black. It was born in 8 shades, blah, 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 etc., etc. Next about the box, we have the Ofra. Which palette is this? Cosmetics Good To Go Mini Mix Palette. It retails for $39. These are the shades. I used this shade today on my eye. So with Ofra, because I knew I was going to get this in the box because everyone got it, I went ahead and used my Ofra Glitch palette today. And with Ofra, they kind of just take out their shade. So I have that shade here, and I did use that towards my brow bone. And it's the same one that's here, obviously. I'm excited now because I'm not all of a fan of the shades that I have in this Glitch palette. So I am going to mix and match some of these like neutral tones because that palette is primarily like monochromes and pastel as far as the color goes, as you can see from this look I'm wearing today from the Glitch palette. So I'm excited to get some other shades in there. I never pull out the Glitch palette just because it is so pastel and it doesn't have many transition shades unless you're going for something like space, like Out of This World, like I went for today. So I'm excited about this. This is obviously the highlight. They have a bronzer right here, a blush right here. So we'll go ahead and try that out. Again, I'll mix and match the shades. That's why they made them like that, so you can take them out. And that retails for, oh, side note, black on brand. Spotlight for that, honey. Yes, Ofra is a black on brand. Ofra Cosmetics. They're wonderful. I have quite a few of their things, especially their highlighters. Go get you one of those Ofra Times Nikki Tutorials highlighters, okay? Anyway, back to this. This retails for $39. Next out of the box, we have more Fenty by Rihanna. This is the Full Frontal Volume Lift and Curl Mascara. I have like so many mascaras, so I'm not going to open this. Well, I guess I should, since this is the packaging, good people. I guess I should, but once you open it, you know, you're cracking the shelf life on it. And this mascara is focusing more so on curling / elongating. So it's going to curl your eyelashes more so than elongate them. And this retails for $24. Last up out of the box, I have the Laura Mercier Rough Essential Silky Cream Lipstick, which retails for $24. This is the packaging, and it's a ooh, I like the color now. Come on, Boxy, for the coral. I do love a good coral. And I don't have any Laura Mercier lipsticks, and it feels very luxe. Okay, Boxy. I'm excited. It feels very luxe. Only thing, it is a creamy formula, and I do prefer a more matte lipstick unless I'm putting like a gloss on top. Smells expensive. Okay. I'm really excited about that. And ooh, and it has a magnetic top. Okay. Y'all, I do not buy expensive lipsticks. Like I told you, my husband got me the new Chanel, the lipstick trio for like $140 for 3 lipsticks for Christmas. And your girl has not opened her because I just don't be spending all that much money on lipstick. But I'm gonna use this one because I got it in the Boxy. Anyway, so let's go ahead and calculate the total value of this box. Let's see. Let's put it all back. Get my handy dandy card. Calculator. So for the Summer Riley's mask, it was $48, $39 for the Ofra palette, $32 for the setting powder from Fenty, $32 for the Laura Mercier lipstick, $24 for the Fenty Beauty mascara, and then $30 for that wipe for your face. So my box had a total retail value of $176. I much prefer this box to the base box that I opened earlier in the week. Much prefer it. Excited about the Ofra palette, the Fenty Beauty, and the Laura Mercier. So that's 3 out of 6. That's lit. That's a win. Alrighty, y'all, contact Joe. Tell BoxyCharms they need to be sending me. I need to be on there. What's it called? Their PR list. Okay, because first of all, they send my packages late, and I need to be the first one because y'all want to hear from me. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share to your mama, auntie, cousin, everybody, and leave in the comments below how you felt about this look. I felt like it was very different, loud for me. I put on some baby lashes. Boom. Not baby, but like more natural lashes, because in my last video, y'all was telling me why my lashes got to be so long. Anyway, bye y'all. Bye. Peace.
Baby, it's the vibe for me. It's the vibe for me. Do you see her out there bobbing freely? Stiff wear, woo, stiff wear.